see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
The what? Bubble machine? We don't need bubble machine. What about that? Okay, let's go. Eto, bumili si Sak ng... Eto yan.
That's when you're hot. Oh, that's more.
Okay, let's go.
Are you hot?
No, I'm not. Okay, let's go.
One banana for banana bread.
Banana bread.
Dad, look what I got at the table. This
Dito na kami sa Coast. Yung bubble machine. That's not bubble machine.
bubble. The bubble in a hole.
Yeah, at home.
What happened?
Green, please. Yeah.
How many we need?
Just get 5 for now.
And how many these ones?
5 as well. 4. Okay, here now. Okay na. Get another plastic bag, please. Yes, 5. Here are 2. Four. Okay, get 1. Okay. What are you doing? What number? 95. Palibreng fruits. Ayan, kumuha ko ng...
Can you push?
Yeah, okay. Banana. Kuya, TJ, put it there, please. Thank you.
Next. Mom, told you we never had this for years.
How many for years? Okay, put it in the cart, please. Put it in the cart, please.
Hey.
Come on, put it in the cart, please. Sak, put this, please.
Yeah,
Thank
what
you.
is it? But,
What do you want?
this say saying fruit box.
What are you saying,
I
Holly?
think all day.
What is it?
Fruit box.
Fruit bag. Here, kuya,
The colors.
Thanks. Thank you. Yeah, you're strong. Go. What's that? Ano yung vitamins nila? Give it to Holly. Get that one, please. Let's go. Yeah, get that one.
What does it smell like?
Smells good.
Does
Lemon.
it smell?
No, it's alright. Come on. Come on, put it.
The milk, 16th of January. Mom, milk, 16th of January. 16th of January.
Careful. Okay na. Wait.
Mom, where's the milk? Mom, where's the milk?
Okay, let's go. Watch out.
We don't have Oh, bang bang.
Come on. What? Ayan, tapos na kayo mag-grocery sa Coles. Dito tayo sa my Baker's Delight. Kuha ko ng tinapay. Are you tired, boys? You want, what do you want, kuya?
Drink water, please.
Oh, kasi ang init. Okay.
You have to each.
Okay, let's go. Ayan, pagod na sila. Kakuha na kami ng tinapay. And yan, dito naman tayo sa meat shop. Dito sa dyan, sa Margaret Street Meat Shop. Dyan tayo pupunta kasi kuha tayo ng steaks, sausages, and kung ano pang meat. Can I have 3 pieces in separate bag, please?
One.
Yes, please. Thank you. Yan yung schnitzel, beef schnitzel. ayan, nag-vlog ako doon. Gamit ko yung phone. So, makita nyo na kung anong mga binili kong meat. And, hindi na rin ako makakapag-haul kasi ano na, alas 4. Anong oras na ba? Wait, what time is it? Ano na eh, 3:28 na. So, by the time na makarating ako doon, ano na, yes. Guys, I open. By the time na makabalik kami sa bahay, mga alas, hindi naman, magpo-4. So, magluluto pa ako. So, prepare pa ako ng dinner. So, and yung mga bata, pagod na. So, magpuput away na kayo pagdating namin din. And, ayan yung tinapay na binili ko. And, yeah, so yun na yung vlog, guys. So, please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. See ya! See ya, pagod na. Are you tired?
Hi, Mom.
Yes.
Can you give me my fan, please?
Your what?
A fan.
Where is it? Ang init ngayon. Ito yung funny sack, oh. What you gonna say?
Thank you.
Okay, say see ya now. Say see ya now. Bye-bye na, Baba. Baba.
See ya.
Say thank you. Si Kuya pagod na. Bahay na kami and tulog na yung mga bata. Pagod din kasi sila. Kasi nag-lunch date din kami. Kuya, we're home. Ayan, tapos na kami kumain ng dinner. Okay. Ano na, Yes! Mga ibon! Tapos na kami kumain. Alas 8 na, pero ano pa, napakaliwanag pa. May sun pa. Okay. And ayan, magsasampay ako. And sila, magkakapatid nag-golf. Yes! Your tea. Manners. Patingin ang mukha mo na naman. Ang dungis niya na naman. Sige, tingnan nga natin siya. Gumagay siya sa mga kuya niya. Manners! Okay. Wow! Very good! Ayun o, malayo din. Yung dalawan doon. Ha? Ayun yung dalawa. Wait, baby. Tinatawag ka. Guys. Wait! Okay. You don't drink. You do what? Blow the bubbles. Yes. Okay, Mom. Okay. You're gonna have a shower soon, okay? Look at your face. Tingnan niyo, oh. Dungis-dungis niya na. Okay, Mommy gonna hang the clothes, okay? Help Mommy na. Come on, help Mom. Please, help Mommy. Alright, watch out for Holly, Kuya. She's coming. Araw-araw ganito sila dito. Umaga, hapon, kumakain sa dinner. Ayan na yung crazy boy ko, oh. Nasaan yung si Maliit? Maliit, nasaan ka na? Hindi kita mahanap. Let her do it. Let her do it, please. Okay, let Kuya Sak do it. Thank you. Alright, position first, Holly. Oops. Okay, put it back, Kuya. Kuya Zach, put it back. Please. Kuya TJ. Help. Can you help her, please?
Yeah, it's over near the tree. Come on, TJ.
Oh! Ayan na yung dalawa. Look at that, guys. Wow! Well done, Holly. What's gonna do first? Yeah, that's Kuya Sak. Well done. Wow! Okay. Okay, Holly's turn. Hurry up, Papa. Wait, I'll move this. I'll move this one first. Okay, Holly. Where are you? Okay. Oops.
Hand to you. Up a bit. Here. Here. Go.
Well done!
She needs a tea for every club.
Good job, Mama. Thanks, Kuya. Say thank you, Kuya TJ. Careful, ha? Wow, nalagay niya, oh. Okay. You don't have to rush. Don't rush, Baba. Okay. Akala ko tatama. Ewan ko, mag-ano na nga ako. Hi, si Holly. Look, guys, what did you say? Look, guys, daw, oh. Oops. Don't throw the ball, Holly, ha?
Throw an apple over there and hit me there. No, I'll teach you. Okay, so
Go there, Baba, go there. Oh, people are watching. Come on, hurry up.
hands there. A bit high. Stop lying. That's
Holly,
hole in
Holly,
one.
look at the ball. Look at the ball.
Okay, there.
Okay.
Go.
Well done!
Go get the ball again.
Andun siya, oh. Well done, Baba. Okay, Mami, gonna hang the clothes now. Tinatawag ako ni Kuya. I-video ko daw siya. Oh, wait, Kuya, wait. Okay. Ayan siya. Where are you gonna aim it? Wow. May ginawa sila doon. Nakita nyo yung maliit na... Ayan, yung maliit na... Doon, ayan. Diyan niya daw i-hit. Okay.
I'm about to hit now.
Okay, wait.
Holly, quiet. Dad, be quiet.
Oh, okay, wait. I have to go here so I can see. Wait, Holly. Oh, Holly. Hold Holly. Okay. My son. Okay. Okay, second turn.
No, why do you need tea?
Stay there, Baba. Stay there.
Lions don't have a tea.
Zach, watch for Holly.
Mom, that was good shot.
Yes, it was good.
Mom, let me hit the pin.
Yeah.
That you daffy.
Don't be quiet.
That you daffy. That you daffy. You're
Kuya, be quiet. Be quiet.
like this. Stand like this. That was good. Yeah! I was like that. Before you hit, then you went like that. That. I know that. No!
Ulit daw si Sak kasi nag-ingay daw si Kuya. Okay, be quiet. Be quiet, Kuya, ha? Concentrate, Sak.
Daffy. That's Daffy. Yeah, you still Daffy like this.
Daffy or Ducky.
I mean like this. Yeah, so be like this. Still Daffy. Still
Okay, be quiet now, Kuya. Concentrate, Sak. Na. Okay, Mami gonna continue my
Continue. Take Daffy.
my job. Ayun na po, oh.